Chalo, that's on now.
Let's start now, everybody.
Yes. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back again. This is Chef Manish here, and this one is my little munchkin Radia. So, do you want to tell them what we are making today?
Pancake.
Yeah, you're right this time. And do you want to tell them what we got here? This one, what is this one? All-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour.
Baking powder.
Baking powder.
Sugar, salt, butter, eggs. That's it.
That's it.
So what we're gonna do first? We're gonna do our dry mix first. So dry ingredients.
I started with the butter.
Yes. So I'm gonna bring the camera over here so they can see what dry ingredients we're gonna add in there. Okay? Just wait. Alright, so first we're gonna put flour in here, our dry ingredients.
Can I do it?
Yes, so 1.5 cup, okay?
Okay.
So you put these 3 cups here. Hold it. 3 cups over. I can hold this here. 3 cups, okay? Make it full. Full cup. Yeah, full. So you gotta make it full like this. So you go all the way down and then 1 cup. Now, you want to count?
Yeah. 1.
And that's the last third one. So we got 3 half cups here. Just leave this one here. And then what else we gonna do? Do you want a pinch of salt here?
Yeah.
Pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Here we go.
Then go put it inside.
Yeah. So you take pinch. Yes. Put sprinkle on top. Alright, I'm adding sugar in here.
Can I do the
you
sugar?
Guys, yes, you can. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just wait. Just move it. Let me grab the tablespoon. This one is the tablespoon.
Okay.
So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of
Let
sugar.
me do it, because I'm the child.
You guys can avoid sugar.
Like this much?
Yeah, that's 1 tablespoon. Another one. 1 more.
This much?
Yeah, add it in here. And what else we're gonna add now? What else we got here to add? I think we
Baking
got
powder.
baking powder, right? So we're gonna move this back, so we're gonna have space here, okay?
Okay. Got the baking powder.
4 teaspoons of baking powder. So what does the baking powder do in the pancake? It helps to rise the pancakes and makes it floppy and soft.
Soft.
Yes, it helps to make floppy and soft. 2.
2.
You wanna count now?
Yeah. 3. 4.
That's enough. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna give a mix to this one now. Have we got this here? So, mix this one very well. Yes. All the way, yes.
I can do it on my own.
Alright. You're a big chef now, right?
Yeah.
You can do it your own now. You don't need Papa's help. Alright. So we mix it through.
Yummy.
All the dry ingredients mix very well. And now, what we're gonna do?
Put eggs.
Make our wet mix now. So we're gonna do our wet ingredients now. So what we got wet ingredients here? 1 egg. Do you wanna crack 1 egg here? Good girl. Ooh, that was a big crack in there. And then, come on.
Yeah. I put this on my shoulder.
Okay. We're gonna add butter in there also.
Okay, let me do the butter.
So we're gonna add around 1/4 cup of butter.
I'm putting it in.
Yeah, we're gonna melt this butter first, okay? Because we want melted butter there. Alright.
Yeah.
Microwave.
It's me only on the camera.
And we're we're gonna need some for making pancakes also. This butter we're gonna keep it outside. We'll leave it in room temperature. I'm gonna put the eggs back.
I can't wait to eat the pancakes. Looky, knock, who's there? Looky, knock, who's there?
Yes. And you know what we're gonna add else to that? Maybe some orange juice. You like orange?
Yeah.
Your favorite orange, right?
Yeah.
Make it nice orangey flavor. And there is other option also, you know. Some people they add vanilla essence in there for vanilla flavor. So we're gonna add half of the orange.
And there's some in my eyes.
We need to stop this. It's boiling. Or let it cool down this butter. A bit hot. Yeah, we can't add hot, otherwise the egg gonna cook in there. Alright. Yeah. This is the easy, simple
Give me some of my milk.
You naughty girl. Alright, and now we're gonna mix this one and then we're gonna add our butter in there also. I'll put it away this.
Yeah, super easy.
It's gentle light. Super easy recipe for Radia.
Don't call me Waddy Wad. My girlfriend called me Waddy Wad. Rustling.
Oh. Is she your favorite teacher?
Yes.
So we're gonna add the butter. You keep mixing. I will add the butter. Mix. That's enough. And that's all. Mix
It
is
smells
ready.
like chocolate cupcakes now.
Alright, now we're gonna pour this into dry mix. Easy.
Peasy pie.
But you're gonna grab a spatula from there. So we
Which
can mix
spatula? This one?
the wood spatula from there.
Where's the spatula? I can't see it.
Oh, we missed something. You know what?
What?
Milk! You're gonna need milk also. I forgot. And you forgot also.
Where is it? You mean this? You mean this?
Milk. No, the wood spoon. Wood one. So we need 1/4 cup,
I
okay?
can't find a good spoon.
Alright, 1/4 cup. So 1 cup here, milk.
I gotta pour it in because I have to charge.
Okay, use the charge. And 1/4 one. Which one is the 4th one? This one is 1/4.
Let me do it. All of it?
All of it. You see, we forgot one ingredient to put in there. That's the most important ingredients, you know?
Are we mixing again?
Yes. We need a spatula, the wood spoon, okay? So, you can't overmix this one, you know? You know what will happen if you overmix that?
No.
The pancake's not gonna be soft enough.
Let me mix it.
Okay. So we need to mix it very gentle, okay?
Make this gentle.
Yeah, if you mix it over, the pancake's gonna be tough. You won't be able to eat them. If you want fluffy pancakes, you just mix it gently, and if there are a bit lumps in there, it's fine. But we don't need a big lumps in there. We just need to avoid big lumps, okay? So we're gonna mix it gentle with all around.
I can do it.
Okay, I can do it. Watch how I'm doing it this time, then next time you can do it. Okay? Easy peasy, yeah, Radia?
Yeah.
So it's kind of like, you see the dough, black dough? So it's gonna be like a runny dough a little bit. Beautiful. And how are we gonna cook it?
In the oven.
Not in the oven.
In the
In the
microwave.
pan. And we're gonna use the cast iron pan, thick bottom pan.
And we gotta add some.
Do you know why we use thick bottom pan? So it won't get burned from the bottom, you know? Yeah, we got bacons. Do you like bacons with the pancakes?
No.
I like bacons. I'm gonna make bacons, sticky bacon for me with maple syrup.
I know what this.
What do you like to have with the pancakes? Butter and maple syrup?
No, I like orange water.
I can put.
We can put orange on top of it.
See, nice consistency. It's not really thin, and there are a bit lump So that's fine.
I'll try.
Just the small lumps is fine. We don't want big lumps in there. Okay? And we don't want to over mix it. So that mix is ready to go. Now it's time to make our pancakes. Just leave it on the side this one.
I can't wait.
Bring this stove now. Our stove.
Why do I put on my pancake?
Oh, you're sharing.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go.
My cat sticks on this one. I put this upside down and don't come off the sticks.
Okay.
Because it's plastic.
Alright, move your hands now. So this one is ready to go.
Yes. It smells like something else there.
We got our heavy bottom pan, that's cast iron pan. Alright. There we go. Alright, what we're gonna do now, we got cup here, and we're gonna put our butter first there.
Can I do the butter?
So we're gonna keep that into medium low heat. We don't want too hot pan, otherwise the pancake gonna get burned from the
Are you okay?
bottom. So you just put this one here. Put away this knife from here.
Just to go on it and shoot the cat.
Yeah, we need to reduce the flame. I think it's pretty good.
Where's the butter?
It's melting down.
Can I see?
Let me get you up here. You see? Alright, now we're gonna pour the mixture in there.
Can I do it?
Just about half a cup. I can help you do. And we're gonna let it spread by itself. We don't want to push it down. Okay?
I don't want to burn my hand.
You don't need to. So we just leave this.
I was putting all of them in.
No.
I was doing all.
Yeah. We're gonna make yummy pancakes. Got a bowl here.
What are we doing with the bowl?
We're gonna put our pancakes in. So you're gonna keep checking your temperature. You don't want too cold pan, not too hot pan either. Okay? You can always check when you see there's bubbles started to come up here.
I can't see. Look at that.
Okay, sure. When you will see the bubbles start to appear on top, that's when it's getting ready. Okay? Is it ready now?
No.
Okay, we need to wait until the bubbles start to appear on top here. Yes.
No.
Yes, let me focus the camera over there.
I fall.
But we need to reduce the temperature.
Can I see what happened to it?
Yes.
Let me up.
You see, you start to get bubbles in there, you see?
Yeah.
There.
It's nearly finished.
Yes. So now it's time to flip it up.
Can I flip it?
I can put whatever you want to raise there.
Is it a pancake now?
Woohoo! Have a look! Wow! Beautiful, eh? Nice and floppy. You see?
Yeah.
It's time to take it out from the pan.
Can't wait to see. Give me it to eat.
Alright, we're gonna make it some more of these.
Can I smell it?
How does it smell like?
Yum.
some orange juice. I'm gonna mix it through and put it in the fridge.
Are we eating the pancakes now?
Not now, we're gonna plate it up nicely, looks beautiful, then we're gonna eat. I made one small teeny weeny for you. Right, I know you've been waiting patiently. Now we're gonna taste it. It's time to taste now, finally. So we got whipped cream and fruit compote and maple syrup and sticky bacon. Wow.
I don't want that too. I want only these at the bottom.
Just the pancakes?
Yeah. And these.
And the bacon?
Yeah.
Alright, you taste the first, then you tell me how does it taste like with so much strawberry. Open your wide mouth. How does it taste like? Beautiful. Yummy?
Yeah.
Do you think we're gonna finish it all this? Let me try also. Beautiful. Okay, you take this for you. Happy? Enjoy. Alright guys, hope you enjoy the recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, The Recipe, and I will see you again with another easy and quick recipe. Till then, take care and bye. Peace.